Hello everyone, and welcome to Kids Learning Adventures. Today, we are going to draw this cute Hello Kitty. It's a fun and easy drawing, so grab your art supplies and let's start with the eyes. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest content. Add colors. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning Adventures for more learning videos.